Namaste. I'm Jacob, and welcome to this short yet powerful Yoga Nidra practice designed to re-energize, recharge, and reboot your body and mind. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, ideally lying down or in a position that feels right for you. Make any small adjustments to ensure your body is fully supported. Feel free to use pillows, blankets, or bolsters for added comfort. As you settle in, gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep, intentional breath in through your nose. Feel your lungs expand fully. Now exhale through your mouth, releasing tension. Bring your awareness to your heart space. This is where your inner vitality resides. With your attention focused here, I invite you to connect with the following intention. I am vibrant and full of energy. I am vibrant and full of energy. Take a moment to repeat this intention to yourself internally, allowing it to resonate deep within you. Planting it like a seed ready to grow. And we'll begin a rotation of consciousness now, gently guiding our attention through the body. Follow my voice, allowing each area to soften and recharge as we move. Bringing your awareness to your mind's eye center, the base of the throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, and your left shoulder, elbow, wrist, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, the center of the chest, the right side of the chest, and the left side of the chest, back to the base of the throat, and finally your mind's eye center. And begin to focus now on your breath. Steady and calm. We'll practice Samavriti Pranayama, or equal breath, to harmonize and restore energy. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath gently at the top for 4. And exhale through your nose for 4. And hold at the bottom for 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Continue like this at your own pace, allowing each cycle to balance and energize your body. With each inhale, imagine drawing in vibrant energy like golden light, filling every cell. With each exhale, release any stagnant energy, clearing space for renewal. Feel your breath as a steady rhythm, recharging you with every cycle. And now forget the counting and allow your breath to return to normal. and imagine yourself standing at the edge of a pristine mountain lake. The water is clear, reflecting the golden rays of the rising sun. With every inhale, you draw in the energy of the sun, the mountains, and the lake. A powerful, revitalizing force flowing into your body. And now imagine yourself stepping into the lake. The water is cool, but not cold. It awakens every cell, renewing your strength. You emerge from the water refreshed, strong and vibrant, ready to step forward with purpose and power. And take a few moments to just bask in this energy. Allow yourself to drift into a state of deep stillness. Where the mind and body dissolve into pure awareness. Feel the energy you've cultivated flowing effortlessly through you, unobstructed and limitless. And return now to our intention for this practice. I am vibrant and full of energy. And repeat it once again to yourself internally. Feel its truth, ready to guide you forward. And return your awareness to your breath, noticing once again its natural rhythm. Each breath invites you to feel the energized sensation throughout your body. and become aware of the surface beneath you. The air on your skin, and the smells in your room. When you're ready, you might like to gently introduce some small movements. Wiggling your fingers and toes or rolling your wrists and ankles. Take your time reawakening. And as you return to the present moment, I'd like to thank you for joining me in this Yoga Nidra meditation. I'd love to hear about your experience, so please feel free to leave a comment below. And you might also like to subscribe to my channel for more practices, as I release frequent new nidras. You can also visit my website, jacobmark.com, where I offer many resources to support you on your journey, including my new online membership, the Life Rich Collective, where, among other things, you'll find exclusive recordings in Yoga Nidra, meditation, and breathwork. Wishing you a powerful, energized day ahead, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Namaste.